Welcome to part 2 of Project Beast Mode front suspension. In part 1, we connected the ORI shocks to our new front shock hoops that we got from TMR Customs. It was a custom assembly that we put together to be able to support the weight of the front of the Jeep. Now, all that suspension and all that weight is going to the top center points on the shock hoop. What I'm worried about is all that weight and bouncing and jarring is going to try and push those hoops together. Today, we're going to use the crossover kit that I got from TMR Customs, and we're going to connect that in between two shock hoops. The challenge that I'm running into is the custom fenders that I put together have inner fender welds that are already welded in, and trying to get the right placement for that shock hoop with the angles and everything that I'm going to be running into is going to be a challenge. So let's figure it out together. This is the kit that comes from TMR. I have 2 quick disconnects. These are the lowers that are already notched to meet the hoops, and then your spanner bar. On my setup, this would work perfectly. I decided to go just a little bit different route. I wanted to make sure that the bar was a little bit higher than the engine, so I called and gave them a center-to-center radius and an angle of bend, and they sent me this. So this bar is going to work with my quick connects and my end pieces to be able to go in. So just because you don't have a pipe bender doesn't mean you can't do custom work. There you go, one step closer to being finished with this project. I now have all the suspension completed with the ORIs, the shock hoops, the crossover, and all the steering done. So next step is getting the roll cage done, so stay tuned. Plenty more projects coming up. I'm Chad from Flash Performance. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, give me some comments. Let me know what you think. Thanks.